deadlines can sneak up on anyone. What if you could automatically get a reminder a set number of days before a task is due? In this video, I'll show you how to do it using Power Automate. Keeping track of deadlines manually is stressful and prone to mistakes. By sending automatic reminders, you save time, reduce errors, and never miss an important task again. First, go to Power Automate and create a new scheduled cloud flow. Name it something like Reminder Flow and set it to run daily at a time that works for you. This ensures your flow checks deadlines every day. Next, add the Get Items action and select your SharePoint site and list. Leave the filter query blank. We'll handle the custom day check in the next step. This ensures we pull all items and avoid any null errors. Now, add an apply to each loop and select the output from Get Items. This will let us check each task individually. Inside the loop, add a condition control. On the left side, write it as formatDateTime and select your column that contains the due date. You can check the internal name in your SharePoint list by going to List Settings, choosing your column, and looking at the URL. In this example, my column is called Deadline Date. On the right side of the condition, you also write formatDateTime and next to UTC now, you can choose the number of days before the due date you want the reminder. In this example, I'm using 60 days. Under the Yes branch of the condition, add a Send an Email action or a Teams message. In this example, I'm sending the email to myself. You can also use dynamic content from a person column to send it to the assigned person, or use a text column and select that as the recipient dynamically. Configure the email with the task title, due date, and a link to the SharePoint item. This is your automatic reminder. Once it works, your flow is live. Every day it will automatically check deadlines and send reminders for the number of days you chose in advance, keeping you and your team on track without any manual effort. Test your flow to make sure it works. For example, today is the 6th of September. In the SharePoint list, there are tasks with deadlines on the 4th, 5th, and 6th of November. The flow should only pick the task that is exactly 60 days away, which is the 5th of November. Only this task will trigger a reminder. And that's it. With this Power Automate flow, you can send automatic reminders for any number of days before a deadline. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials.